Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Mercedes Michelle. If you are new, welcome. Go ahead and join the family. Hit the subscribe button down below. This channel is all about lifestyle, motherhood, budgeting, getting our lives together. So go ahead and hit that notification bell as well so you can be notified every single time I upload a new video. But today we are going to be decorating my Dollar Tree planner. So I picked this planner up from the Dollar Tree, you guys, for 2020. I am trying to get my entire life organized. Do you hear me? Everything. And I'm such a pen and paper type of girl. I know we have the iPhones and the electronic calendars, but I am such a pen and paper girl. So I feel like I will use this before I use my iPhone calendar. So this agenda was $1 from the Dollar Tree. It's just a regular old planner. Nothing fancy about this planner. But I wanted to keep this one simple because this is going to be used specifically for work. So I am going to have a work planner that is separate from my life and business planner. So like my YouTube, my day-to-day life, that is going to be separate from my work planner as well as my budget planner. So I already have two planners for 2020. This is going to be my third one. So I didn't want it to be super bulky. I didn't want it to be full of stuff. I want it to be as simple as possible. So I chose this one because it's super thin. It's lightweight and I can add it into my happy planner where my lifestyle and business planner will be held. So this one can go into that one without adding any extra bulk to it. So let's get right into the video, you guys. So starting off, I am going to be taking some washi tape that I picked up from my local Dollar Tree. So you can find things at Dollar Tree to decorate your dollar planner as well, or things around the house. So it does not have to be expensive, just use what you have. So I'm taking this gold glitter and outlining the year 2020 just to add some spice to the cover page. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this leftover cardstock paper that I had from my budget binder. And I will be uploading a video on my budget binder for 2020 if I have not already. Make sure to check out that video. So I'm just taking some scrap cardstock gold glitter paper and applying it to the front cover. Then I'm going to take the Agenda 52 sticker book and I am going to go in and select one of the ladies in this book to apply to my front cover to represent your girl. And before I lay her down, I'm going to take the Happy Planner Color Story sticker pad, and I'm going to take a sticker to use just as a background for her, and it has just an inspirational quote that I can look at every day in my work planner. So I'm just going to place her down right next to that sticker. Now, it is hard for stickers to stick to glitter cardstock. I don't know why, but I am going to go back in later after this video and apply some glue. So then I'm going to take this leftover planner divider that I had from a previous Happy Planner, and I'm going to use this to block off this personal information page. I didn't need it, but if you need it, go ahead and leave it. But this is just going to be my dashboard for my workbook. And I'm going to go in and cut it down to size so that it can fit onto the personal information page. And I'm just going to tape it down with some double-sided tape. I recommend glue if you have some, but I do not have a glue stick. So you just got to work with what you already have. So once I'm done placing down the double-sided tape, I'm going to go ahead and attach this dashboard to the personal information page, and that page will no longer be in my little work planner. So it's just now this little polka dot black and white page that I got from my Happy Planner, and I'm just going to go in and reinforce this page with some washi tape, and this is just a gold foil washi tape that I'm going to use in the spine of the book to make sure that that page just doesn't come up. So once I'm done applying the washi tape, I'm going to go in and cover up the word September, and I'm just going to take the Agenda 52 sticker book and find a sticker that will fit over that September so that I can block that out. You just got to work with what you got, guys. So I'm all about DIYing and just making stuff work. So I found this strip of diamond sticker and I thought it was cute, and it would cover up the front part of that September tab. And then I'm going to go in and cover up the back side with an important sticker because this is my workbook, so it is important. Alright guys, so I am going to start on this front page, which I would consider like a dashboard slash just what you see when you open up my workbook. I knew I wanted to add like my name to it and then like some sticky notes so that I'll have them to use when working in this planner for work, so I can jot down things really quick without creating a complete mess in my work planner. So I'm just going in and laying down different types of stickers. I have this gold foil white sticker background that I used, and then I'm going to put this strip that says "You Are Gold Girl," and then I'm going to add my name. So to add my name, I'm going to take these black letters from the Happy Planner Dates and Holidays sticker book, and I'm using a ruler to make sure that I lay it as straight as possible. I did get lazy in the end, but this is as good as it's going to get. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be perfect for you. And I feel like I always say that when I'm doing DIYs, but it's so true. So I'm just going in and laying down my name here. Normally I would put Mercedes Michelle, but you know, that was just too much. So I just put Mercedes down, and I'm using this ruler to keep everything in line to make sure that my letters are straight. So I'm going to go ahead and lay down some sticky notes. I'll be using double-sided tape to attach these sticky notes to the dashboard. You see me laying down this heart sticky note pad, and then I'll take two different ones from the Glam Girl collection and lay them at the bottom. And that is pretty much it for this front page. So the last thing I'm going to do is go ahead and cover up the paper here. I don't need the dates and holidays pages, and I don't need this other directory page. So I'm just going to lay down some double-sided tape and go ahead and attach these two pages together. So as soon as you open up the tab to this planner, you'll go directly into my monthly spread. So that just works for me. You don't have to do it if it does not work for you. It's just something that I wanted to do because I just didn't find it necessary to have these two pages. All right, lastly, you guys, I'm gonna go in with this gold paper clip in this sticker pack from the Glam Girl collection, thanks to one of my subbies again. And I'm gonna create a bookmarker for this planner since it is just pages and there's really no distinctive separation between the months. I thought that it was necessary to have a bookmark because nobody got time to be flipping through every single page, so this paperclip will just allow me to turn to where I am in this planner. I did use stickers, but I am going to hot glue those two lips together to create my bookmark. So I hope you guys enjoy the DIY. So the next thing would be decorating your spread, making it you for your work or lifestyle, whatever you choose to make this planner for. I just wanted to show you guys an alternative way to have a planner. It doesn't have to be expensive. You can still have a cute planner as long as you just make it you and be creative. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want me to do a actual spread in this planner, like where I go in and decorate my monthly for work, definitely just comment down below and I will do that for you guys. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.